Hello, everybody. This video serves as the introduction to the large-scale machine learning section of ML Expert. So in general, the machine learning crash course covered the concepts behind machine learning along with some practical applications. In reality, integrating these models into established businesses or applications often requires many more considerations. For starters, we typically don't have neatly laid out features for us to train on. So we need some process in place which extracts relevant features from potentially petabytes of raw data. Once we do that, we can then find relevant features and labels for our models. Now, the second thing that we have to consider is that the number of training examples that we'll be feeding into our models will be on the order of hundreds of millions, and therefore some of the models that we'll train will have billions of parameters. We'll need to know how to deal with models at this scale. The third thing we want to consider is that these models are created to impact the businesses in some positive way. We need to be confident that the models we're using are actually creating value. So we need tools which can measure the impacts that the models are creating. Finally, we need to enable these models to serve potentially tens of thousands of requests per second. Often this means we need to optimize the models in terms of scalability and execution speed. Now, each of these considerations must work together to ensure that there's a consistent experience for the customer and the business. This large-scale machine learning section will cover each of these concepts in depth. Let's get started.